Welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm going to show you how to do an embossed glitter leaf design. And these are the products I'm going to use. For doing this design, I'm gonna apply 2 coats of Serious Black, and each coat will be cured 30 seconds. So now I'm gonna apply Snow White, so I just put some few drops on my palette so I can pick the color to do the design. And I'm gonna use the 002 detailing brush. So now I'm gonna do some leaf with the white gel color. And fill the leaf with the white gel. When you're satisfied with the design, flash cure for 10 seconds. Flash cure for 10 seconds. So now I'm gonna use Mega Gloss to adhere the glitter to the nail. Try to keep the glitter on the white gel polish. Flash cure for 10 seconds. And now I'm gonna add some Mega Gloss into the leaf to give some dimension. And cure for 10 seconds. And cure for 10 seconds. Now I'm gonna add some Mega Gloss to do a second layer. You can do as many layers as you want. And add some glitter. And flash cure for 10 seconds. And now I'm gonna do some little dots with my dotting tool to add a few designs. and put it in the lamp, please. 10 seconds. So now we're going to use the Oven Graffiti top coat to seal the design. And cure for 30 seconds. So now I'm gonna add some cuticle oils with the freesia scents. This is the finished design. I hope you'll like it. All the product used will be listed below. Until next time, au revoir!